Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to introduce a combined indicator to you, and that it is very important and you can use it. In fact, we use two separate indicators together, and you can see the name of the first one. Here we search in the indicator list, and also I will put the name in the description of this video. You can find it simply. Yes, here we search for the first one. Okay. Now we go to settings of this indicator and we change some options. Click on settings. In the first tab and second tab, you can see here I change the color of the line. And here also we put on 7, just it. And now here I change the color because now it's white, I cannot see it good. Any color, any color that you like, you can use. Okay, as you can see, now we have the first one on the chart. And now we go for searching the another indicator. As you can see here, the name. Also, I will put the name of this second indicator in the description. UT bot alerts also. You can find it simply. This one. Now you can see here the signals for buy and sell also, but we have a little difference in the settings. We do it, we put this one 2 and yes 2, and here we put on number 1. Just it. Now you can find all signals buy and sell very simply, but please always use this one not only for confirmation, not only one strategy. You should combine with your personal strategy also. Then it's better you take back test, forward test in all forex indexes, gold, everything. You should check by yourself. But here we can find a good signal. Not 100% trust, but the win rate is more than 70%, but you should check by yourself also. For example, here we change all time frames. You can find buy and sell signals also. This is 15 minutes Euro USD. And all time frames are available and on all Forex indexes we can use it. Now we change the index, we go on gold versus US dollars. This one, you can see the signals, and at least you can trust for one to one risk to reward, at least. Sometimes maybe more, but 1 to 1 is okay. You can see all signals. Okay, good luck and be safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.